Namaste. One of my subscriber commented me and emailed me also regarding how to open an ashram. So he is a 50 years old and he is fed up of his office work. So he wants change in his life. So in this video I will tell you how to open an ashram or how to start a a spiritual retreat or something like that. So ashram is as I said in many videos, ashram is a place created to grow spiritually. So in ancient time, many sages used to open an ashram, and this king, they used to fund such ashram. So they easily able to manage the ashram. But nowadays, government doesn't fund the ashram. So only ashram management have to find money to manage the ashram. There are so many expenses. To manage the ashram, they accept people who can pay for their stay. Once you start accepting people to stay there, then your ashram become like a lodge or hotel kind of thing. Because most people who come there, they are looking for cheap stay, because these ashrams cost very lesser than most of the ashram. They cost lesser than other hotels where you can stay. Like if other hotels charge you 1000, 1500, 2000 per night, this ashram mostly ask you like 200 rupees or 500 rupees, something like that. Some ashrams allow you to stay for free. So free means they are still looking for your money. They are looking for donations. Some people understand this concept of donation and pay for their stay in the name of donation. Some people don't even pay. They just abuse this ashram. And in the end, such ashram will close. So once you open an ashram, now opening ashram is easy. Just you do some regulation, follow some regulation and open an ashram. But once you open an ashram, that will be another corporate like a company for you. Like you have to manage the accounts, you have to look for people who are coming there, cleaning there. So many things are there. So if you are ready for such thing, you can open an ashram. About a spiritual retreat or something, most people start spiritual retreat to make money. It became a very big business. Spirituality is not a business only, but many people started it as a business, and different kind of healing techniques they are introduced, and this become very big. It's a very easy kind of business. Some people practice yoga and grow their beard and become a yoga guru and promote themselves in Instagram. And about ladies, they show some very sexual position, like I mean to say the yoga position they show in such a way, such videos go viral, and they market that yoga as a kind of package, like 10 days yoga course or something like that. That's a different kind of thing, different way. If you want to open such spiritual centers, I'm not the right person to advise you that. I don't even recommend you to do that, because it's very bad karma. Once I have seen so many people who are yoga guru and trying to make money out of it. In the end, they don't have personal life only. Their personal life is nothing, like yoga, astrology and such thing, healing and all. They have very bad personal life. They have many problems in their personal life. They may end up making lot of money, but personal life, you don't have peace, you don't have anyone in your life or something like that will happen. If you have seen someone like that, please comment below, and if I am wrong also, please comment below and explain me if I am wrong. And about this ashram, so if you want to open ashram, then you have to be ready to manage the ashram also. Then you have to manage the account and so many things. Opening the ashram is very easy, but managing, cleaning it and keeping it very like an ashram only, like it's very challenging part. So instead of that, you visit different ashrams. I highly recommend you to visit different ashrams, because this daily life of each ashram is different and it's very interesting also. You also meet spiritual seekers where you can learn many new things. This is my personal experience. Even I wanted to do some social service, and after reading so many things, then I found that opening a NGO and doing social, doing something for society is a long process. Instead of that, go and volunteer in some NGOs, and you are giving something to the society. If you feel like you want to do some social service or something, you can do that. Find some NGO. You can use Workaway. I have created separate video for that. You can join that and you can volunteer anywhere in the world. And ashrams, most of the ashrams, any ashrams, they are looking for free labors, because they have to manage the ashram some way. They can't appoint labors, because it will cost of like managing the ashram will grow a lot. So they are looking for someone who can do their work for free, and they allow you to stay there and give food and basic accommodation and all. Most of the ashram do that, but some ashram will not allow you to volunteer there, because they even have problem of trust. Even they don't trust everyone who come there. So there are some like a filtering thing, like you have to do some course, or you have to go there and stay for 1 week, then they will see your work, then they will decide, like that. So this is the thing. I have created different videos about the ashram, staying in ashram and all. But opening an ashram, this is not it become like a business. If it become very big, you check many big ashrams like Sadhguru's ashram. In Kollam, there is a Amma ashram is there, Amriteshwari. There also many people go there and become like different way. Like Siddhagiri Mutt, I have visited Kaneri Mutt in Kolhapur. You can visit that and see how big it became, like a corporate, like company or something like that. At first, it was very small and very authenticity was there, like a ashram. But as it become big, it's like every day, like people are coming for job and doing their stuff. They get lots of donation, and in the end, there is you will not feel like it's an ashram or a place to grow spiritually. It looks completely different. Please subscribe this channel and get connected with me. If you have any advice for people who want to open ashram, or if you have experienced ashram, please comment below and share your views with me. If you have any question, comment below. I will reply you within few hours. Thanks for watching. Namaste.